When you're installing LVP, you're supposed to leave a small gap between the flooring and the wall so that it has room to expand. In a perfect world, I could remove my wall trim, and then after I installed my flooring, I would use quarter round to cover the gap. But this house is 110 years old, and it would have been impossible to remove the baseboards without completely ruining them. If I tried to put another piece of quarter round on top of this one, it would look bulky and weird. InstaTrim was made to cover your crack. It's a self-adhesive vinyl strip. Installing this was so easy. I vacuumed, then wiped the area down with some acetone to help make sure the adhesive didn't have any problem sticking. I wanted to test it out in a small area first, so we're starting in this corner. Here's where I messed up. I put the first piece down and used a pair of scissors to cut off the excess. I realized I should have started in the corner, so I pulled up the first piece and I was honestly impressed at how strong the adhesive was. This time I measured and cut the strip before I removed the plastic. In addition to the strips, InstaTrim also sells corner and end pieces. I'm inserting one end of my strip into the tabs on the corner piece. Then I can line everything up and put it in place. Once the second piece has been measured and cut, I can slide it into the corner piece and then stick it to the wall and flooring. I made sure I liked the placement of everything before I grabbed the applicator tool and rolled over the trim a few times to push it into the crack. Seeing how good the corner looked really boosted my ego, and I was confident enough to try a bigger area, so I started working my way down the hallway. I'm gonna have to grab some knee pads before I start crawling around like this again, but it was totally worth it because the hallway looks amazing. I think it looks super professional and polished, and I love that it was mess-free and didn't require any tools like quarter round would have. InstaTrim can be used in hundreds of different ways, both indoors and outdoors, so check out their website and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can show you more ways to save time and money on your home projects.